Hey everybody, Dr. Dan here, and I'm your professor for History 2010 this summer of 18 at University of Toledo. So I just wanted to take a minute to introduce myself and tell you a little bit about the class. This is a summer class, so it's 6 weeks long, which means we have to jam a lot of stuff in a short period of time. So there's going to be a lot of reading you have to do. Please note that you will need the textbook, all right? It looks like this, and it's listed on the syllabus. It's also should be available at the University of Toledo bookstore, and it's also available on Amazon. I've put a link in the class website and on the syllabus if you need to know exactly what edition it is, but it's called Of the People. I believe it's the third edition, volume 1 right here again. So you'll need that, and you'll need to have it right away because we only have 6 weeks, so we have to get through a lot of stuff in a hurry, including the first week, and there's a big assignment due the first week. So anyway, we're going to start at chapter 3 of the book, and we're going to end at 13. So if you get the book, you don't need to worry about chapters 1 and 2. Again, we're starting at chapter 3, so you're more than welcome to read the rest of the chapters if you want, but I think that because of the sheer volume of reading, it's better to spend time in these primary chapters than it is to read the earliest stuff about chapter 1 all the way through the end. So chapter 3 through 13 in the book. The syllabus has all of the assignments. There's a total of 1,050 points in the class. There are 3 assignments that are worth 200 points each. There's a final that's worth 300 points, and there are a few quizzes. The quizzes are multiple choice. They each have 10 questions, and they're pretty easy to get through. Of course, they're open book because it's an online class. So when you get to the quizzes, there's some hints on how to master those. It's a lot of material to cover, and I don't mean to cram a bunch of stuff on you that you won't remember, but again, because it is such a shortened class, we do have to do more work than we would normally do. As far as I'm concerned, I teach at University of Toledo, I teach at Jackson College, I work at Mercy College in Toledo as well, so I'm busy, but you can always get in touch with me. My phone number is 419-345-7220. That's my cell number, so if you want to text me at any time, please do so. Make sure you identify yourself and the class you're in when you text me, or you can give me a call at that cell number as well. So that's it. We're going to have a good 6 weeks. It's going to go really fast. There's going to be a lot of work, so I apologize in advance for all the work that there is to do, but we do have to get through it in a short period of time. So that's it for me. I hope you're having a great summer so far, and I'll talk to you soon. Thanks. Bye-bye.